What's going on, guys? Retro Nostalgia back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a vintage computer restoration video. And a buddy of mine messaged me the other day. He said, "Hey, I got a bunch of computers for you." He said Apple stuff, Tandy stuff, and all he wants back is one of the two Apple IIGS's restored, cleaned up, and working, and I can have the rest. So this video is going to be on tearing apart this Apple IIGS, cleaning it out, and getting it powered on and working. Oh, let's check it out. Alright guys, so I'm back at my my workbench, and I got the two Apple IIGS's. I got the Apple monitor, and I'm going to do a time-lapse of me popping them open, cleaning them all out, and hopefully by the end of the video we'll have these guys both working and restored. So let's get started. Alright guys, so there you have it. I got 2 of these cleaned up, the best that I can get cleaned up. I did test them in the middle of each one to check, you know, after I checked the battery and stuff, made sure nothing was leaking. But I'm going to test them again after I'm done, and let's see how these turned out. Alright, so this is the first one. Looks like it powers up. Check startup device. Alright, well I don't have a startup device, so looks like everything's booting as usual. Power this one down. Check the second one. In. Apple IIGS. Check service. So it looks like both these are working, and they power on completely. So everything's looking pretty good. So there you have it, guys. This is my first video on a restoration. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.